Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ira Fahlia. I'm going to present my research with the title is Development of Socrates-based linear algebra book to improve critical thinking. Before I start my presentation, I want to introduce the members in this research. Those are Ira Fahlia, Dwi Rahmawati, Mustika, Tina Yunarti, and Nurhanura. Well, ladies and gentlemen, background number one, based on the results of interviews and analysis of critical thinking tests, it shows that students find it difficult to solve the problems given, such as interpreting problems, analyzing, evaluating, and drawing conclusions. Number two, students are very dependent on the lecturer when solving exciting problems and waiting to be explained by the linear algebra lecturer. And the discussion does not develop because students do not ask about other problems other than those given by the lecturer. Number three, unsatisfactory student learning outcomes are caused by lack of support in learning. Okay, we use Plum model as the method of this research. There are four stages on it. Those are number one, preliminary research, stage of analyzing needs and context, reviewing the literature, and developing conceptual and theoretical framework for research. Number two, prototyping phase. Number one has Socrates-based characteristic. Number two has introductory content and closing section. Number three contains study instructions, competencies to be assigned, concept maps, and a glossary. Number four, package critical thinking linear algebra material. Number three, assessment phase. At this stage, the main activity was carried out, namely a limited trial to determine the practicality of Socrates-based teaching materials developed in the field on a small scale. Number four, implementation. The implementation stage has not been carried out by research due to time constraint, and the implementation process is carried out in three different universities. Okay, the method of data collection is through the validation sets of teaching materials, which consist of material lecture, expert from mathematics education, which focus on linear algebra subject, and design experts from the Department of Computer Science from universities outside of Muhammadiyah University Metro. Data analysis techniques were qualitatively with descriptive methods. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the result and discussion. The result and discussion in the research are carried out in several stages, such as the preliminary research stage. This needs analysis is to analyze the learning resource used by linear algebra lectures, consisting of 2 linear algebra lectures and 28 students. The object of study in this study include number one, the suitability of teaching materials with materials. Number two, teaching materials used by lectures. Number three, the needs of lectures and students relate to teaching materials and students' difficulties in learning linear algebra material. From the interview and observation instruments, it was found that number 5 linear algebra lectures do not have teaching materials yet. The student used independently, students have not been able to think critically in thinking about simple steps first in solving problem and have not been able to get used to gain knowledge without being notified in advance by the lecturer. Number six, students who have high critical thinking skills, they have four indicators such as being ability to interpreting, problem analyze, evaluate, and draw conclusion. Okay. The result shows that the data from the validation of the product material with the total score of the three evaluators was 186 with an average percentage of validity of 82.67%, namely the very valid category. The practically of textbook is 84.80% with a very visible category based on the average of questionnaire results from 20 student respondents. Okay. The conclusion, based on the result of trials that have been carried out the University on Lampung and Muhammadiyah University of Metro, it is concluded that the linear algebra teaching materials products gets an average from the material validation questionnaire, which is 82.67%, and the average design validation questionnaire is 86.67%. So that Socrates based teaching material is the very valid category. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.